Hey guys, welcome back to our channel English Camp, and before I start I would like to thank each and everybody out there for this amazing response. This is really inspiring and we hope that this love and appreciation continues. Alright, so this is a kind of pre-session video you can say. So first of all I would like to share a small information with you guys. যারা অলরেডি ইংলিশ ক্যাম্পে স্টুডেন্টস রয়েছে তারা তো গুগল মিটে ক্লাস করছোই, বাট অন দিস ইউটিউব প্ল্যাটফর্ম উই আর গোয়িং টু ফোকাস অন থ্রি মেন সাবজেক্টস, দ্যাট ইজ স্পোকেন ইংলিশ, দেন কমিউনিকেশন স্কিলস, দেন দি পার্সোনালিটি ডেভেলপমেন্ট. So take it as an introduction class and I'm gonna discuss with you the basic concepts of these three subjects one by one. So let's begin with the first one, that is spoken English. See, do not get confused with the concept of spoken English. I have heard people saying that বাংলা আমাদের মাতৃভাষা, আমরা বাঙালি, আমরা বাংলা ছেড়ে ইংলিশে কেন কথা বলবো, বাংলা ভুলে ইংলিশে কেন কথা বলবো. I don't know why people drag this ego fight in between. This is so basic and we need to understand that. Of course, Bengali is our mother tongue and I think everyone should respect their own mother tongue without questioning it, and nobody has ever asked you to forget your mother tongue and learn a new language. If anyone does, you can straight erase that person from your life, because that is your base. If you are not good at your own mother tongue, then you cannot be good at any language in the world. So what I am trying to say is, there is no harm in learning other languages, right? Because life is learning and learning is life. And English is the global language, or you can say it is the language of the planet. It helps you to communicate with nearly all the people around the world, and this is very important for us to reach to more and more people to achieve success in our life. On the other hand, the lack of knowledge of English language or not being fluent can keep you back from participating in any field. There will be times when you may feel unworthy or low self-esteem, and at a certain time it may stop you from fulfilling your dreams. But don't worry, we won't let that happen to you anymore, and we will definitely help you in every possible way so that you can speak in English without any fear at all. Now moving on to the next topic, that is communication skills. Now we all know what communication is. In simple Bengali it means kotha bola, right? But then why it is called a skill? Skill means what? Dokkhota or ability, right? Which comes through learning. Have you ever thought of it? Well, now let me tell you something, that communication is not only about speaking, it's about so many things like listening, understanding, involving, delivering and receiving the proper information, observing and empathizing. It is a lot more than just exchanging words. If you relate with daily life situations also, you can realize that many big issues can be solved with a good communication, and a small little thing can turn to a huge misunderstanding only because of a gap of communication. Agreed? This happens, right? So notice that how this communication is playing a key role in your professional and your personal life. This is why we will make you learn the most in-demand communication skill and the ways to improve them through our sessions. So last but not the least, it's personality development. And I think this is the most interesting and most vital subject to learn about. You can be a teenager or an employee or a parent or an artist, whoever. But personality development is equally essential for every single individual. But most of us, we skip this vital thing, just like girls skip to do their eyebrows while doing makeup. Yes, generally girls do so. I'm not talking about the MUA, but rest of the girls forget to do their eyebrows. But let me give you one small tip, that it's neither your kajal nor your lipstick, but your eyebrows that frame your face. Similarly, personality frames you, but see, personality is not inborn, it's inbuilt. Suppose you think of a situation where there is a boy with 90% marks but he lacks personality, and there is another boy with 70% marks but he has a wonderful outgoing personality, and both went for an interview. I bet you the second boy with lower marks will surely beat this genius with 90% academic record. I'll tell you why. The art of demonstrating oneself, one's ideas, this is the principal factor behind his success. You may have many plans, many creative things in your mind, but if you fail to express them in front of the world, it's of no value. And guys, there where the personality plays its unique role, because it is the first impression of an individual. So understand that this is not something to be taken granted. It's very, very important and it should be taught to everyone from a very young age. But as the saying says that it's never too late for a new beginning, and we are here for that only, and we do believe that with your full support and coordination we will definitely succeed. Alright guys, I hope the basic concepts about these subjects are clear in your mind now, and we will obviously go in depth of each subject through the sessions. I think we are going to start the sessions from June 1st or 2nd week. See you very, very soon, and till then please stay safe and stay with us.